Hey, what's up everyone? Bit Me Some back with another Hbar video. So currently right now I'm on the Hedera Hashgraph 4-hour time frame. So in today's video we're just going to keep looking at a few different charts, see a few different prices, and see where we could be heading in this next hour or two, or if not just today, in the next few days also. So let's just jump right into it. Right now I'm on the 4-hour time frame. So as you guys can see, yesterday's video we were thinking it could possibly be a head and shoulders. As you guys can see, we perfectly everything lined up, but we got rejected, and we came down and got rejected again. So what that is telling me is that most likely we're not going to be able to make it past that point, because this also created a double top. Look at that. Perfect. So what that double top is telling me is confirming this move down. So boom, move down, and then this is the move down. We did break 1031. That 1031 was a key point. We haven't closed underneath it yet, but that key point is letting us know we got a break of structure. Actually, let's see. $10.50. Alright, so actually the break of structure will be 10.22, and we're right at that break of structure. We're at 10.24 right now. Yeah, my computer's lagging a little bit. I think it might be because I got so many charts. 10.22 is where we're going to need to break. As you can see, we're right there at the top. We're right there. So if we break 10.20, if we break 10.22 going downwards, then we're going to probably hit this blue 25 moving average, and this could be coming in at 10.13 or so. And if we break that, then this next target is going to be at 10.27. Or actually, no, not 10.27. Pretty much 10, exactly at 10. But if you do notice, I know I got quite a bit of lines, but it's just, this is also kind of creating a upward trend. So if we stay above that, then we're just going to keep moving up. This could just be a bounce. And if you, okay, this is a 15-minute chart. Kind of the same thing. But yeah, if you do notice, we did break that. This is on a 1-hour time frame. And if you notice, look, this is where we broke. Once we break that, then it confirmed this move down. That would have been a great short to watch. This is why it's important to make sure you're paying attention. Alright, so this is on a daily time frame. The daily right here, as you notice, we're getting a perfect bounce right there. Exactly. This chart that I have for Hbar, I haven't moved it once. It's been respecting a lot of these lines perfectly. So like I said, the fact that we were able to just perfect little bounce on that, it let us know that this is correct. Because even on the chart itself, it has like a curve. You know, the line is going a little bit this way, and then it goes back that way. So it pretty much told us exactly that was going to be a dip. So that is why this chart for Hbar has been perfect. I didn't want to move it, mess it up. So my next guess would be, since we're getting rejected right here, we could write down this before we possibly come back up. I mean, we could always come back down, but I don't think we'll create too much lower lows. So I'm thinking we could probably stay inside of there. But if we break going down this line, then yeah, it's confirming this downside, and we could be hitting this. But I would say this is our next little triangle that we need to make it out of. whichever direction, up or down, is going to be which way we head. Alright, let's see this chart. Alright, this is on the 4-hour time frame. Same chart, 4-hour time frame. As you guys can see, we were catching support perfectly underneath it. Now resistance, we broke above it, came back underneath it. Now we're catching resistance again at that point. And we're catching a bounce right here on this 50 moving average. The 50 moving average is this yellow line. So the fact that we're getting this bounce and we're looking like we might be crossing pretty soon. So if these two lines cross, then that might confirm the possible move back up. I just know when they cross, it usually means going up or going down. I forget which way it means, but if you notice, this 50 line and this blue line is creating a triangle itself. So that's a triangle, that's a triangle, and look at, we broke out of it. This is the retest to possibly go back up, and if we cross right there, then it's kind of confirming that move, which is why I think we're going to be moving back up. So like I said, we wanted to break that 50 line. Well, we did break it. Now we're giving it a retest. So, and like I said, this yellow box is perfect support. So the fact that once we break that, then we're coming lower. So this box is going to let us know. So I mean, honestly, if we break this line, I'm gonna put in, this is not financial advice, by the way, personal opinion, I'll probably look for a short if we break this line, looking for a short down possibly to here. But if we catch this bounce, and I think if we break this area, I think we could be in it for, I mean, I could put a long there too. I'm just trying to think, because we are moving up, we're about to cross. It just seems like it could be happening. And then look at on this chart, this is a 15-minute chart. So what this is telling me is that we're catching this support right here perfectly. So let's see where the current price is at. Current price is 1027. This line, look at, perfect, boom, going up, exactly like I was saying. So this is what I was saying, is that if it doesn't cross that yellow line right there, then we're not going up. We're catching this bounce. And this is what I was saying, is that that's where we should have put the long at. Pretty much at the bounce of this 50 line. And then you would put your stop loss maybe just underneath it, just to possibly, if it does go down, you would enter your short also. So, you know, it's just, so yeah, that's kind of what I look at more, going up 1029 now. This line was 1025, so now we're 1029. Alright, so that's yeah, like I said, my next target will probably be at least the top of here, which is 1035, and then 1038. I'm not sure why that line is there. Okay, so that one is for that one. Let's see, maybe here, right there. Yeah, right there. That'll be the bounce. So if we could move past that 1036, then we'll be pushing up again. So yeah, this is the area where, like I was saying, if we broke this bottom line, we're coming down. But since we're going up, our next target will be this top line, and if we break this top line at 1035, then we're pushing up possibly to this next one. So 1035 is pretty much the bigger one we need to see. All right, this is on a 4-hour time frame. If you guys remember, we just set this pretty much this support line, and I was pretty much saying, and then this line going down, it's going to determine if we break on the other side of this line, we're going to be going up. But if we break underneath it, we're going to be going down. And then, like I said, look, it's perfectly, it went down and then caught support or resistance. And that's where we're pretty much at now. So at this crossroad. But if you notice, that moving averages are going to be crossing, and we're getting a bounce on that 15-minute time frame. Look at, we're getting a bounce now. We're up to 1031. So if we're getting this bounce up, this is kind of confirming to me that this is, if this cross happens, which it is, it's gonna go up. And look at the RSI is going up, and the MACD is going up. So if those crossed, we could be seeing something. We are kind of getting, a little bit of that. Alright, so yeah, that's what I got so far for Hbar. Current price is 1031. We need to stay above this 1022, I believe, for us to keep moving up. Just watch out for this moving average about to cross pretty soon, and I'm pretty sure a decision will be happening after that. So just make sure you keep an eye on that, and I appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button. And that's pretty much all I got today. See you guys in the next video. Peace.